Google ads or Facebook ads? Which one should you use to grow your business? They both work, but they work in different ways. In this video, I'm going to explain how they're different, when to use each, and why. In most cases, Facebook ads will give you the biggest bang for your buck if you know what you're doing. Let's start with a reality check. Ads don't sell your product. You do. Google ads and Facebook ads are just tools that get attention, but the way they get attention is completely different, and here's how. Google ads are intent-based. People are actively searching for what they want. Facebook ads are interruption-based. You're getting in front of people who aren't necessarily looking but might be interested. And that difference, it changes everything about how you approach these platforms. Google ads are great for one reason: intent. Let's say someone searches for emergency plumber near me. If you're running a Google ad, your business pops up and boom, you're in the conversation. It works because the person is already looking for what you offer. They're ready to take action. This makes Google ads perfect for high intent services like plumbing, legal services, roofing, or e-commerce businesses selling a product that people know that they want. But, and this is important, Google ads can get very expensive. If you're in a competitive niche, clicks can cost $5, $10, or even $50. And just because someone clicks doesn't mean they'll buy. So unless you're in a niche with high profit margins or you're targeting people ready to buy right now, Google ads might not give you the volume that you need. Now let's talk about Facebook ads. The magic of Facebook isn't intent, it's reach. Facebook ads let you get in front of people who don't even know they need you yet. Think about this for a second. Instead of waiting for someone to search for your product, Facebook puts your business in their feed, their stories, their reels. This is huge because it allows you to create demand. Here's why Facebook ads win for most businesses. Number one, you get volume. With Facebook, you can reach thousands, even tens of thousands of people every single day for a fraction of what you would spend on Google. If you're running on a smaller budget, this is a game changer. Two, you also get quality. Facebook's algorithm learns fast. It figures out who's clicking, who's converting, who's ignoring your ads. Then it finds more people like your buyers. That's how Facebook delivers both numbers and the right people. But here's the catch. Facebook ads don't do the heavy lifting for you. With Google ads, the leads are already motivated. They've searched for you. They're halfway there. With Facebook ads, you have to be good. You need systems to contact leads quickly. You need to know how to have a good conversation. You need a sales process that actually works. If you don't have these things in place, you'll blame the ads, but the ads aren't the problem. And here's why this is actually a good thing. Getting good at contacting leads, managing follow-ups, and closing sales is a skill that you need anyway. Facebook ads forces you to build those systems, and once you do, you're set up to scale like crazy. You're not just playing the waiting game hoping someone searches for you. You're actively creating opportunities. So here's the clear breakdown. Google ads work best if you're in a niche with high intent searches like emergency services or specific products. You have a bigger budget and you want to target people that are ready to buy. Facebook ads work best if you want to scale fast, you're okay putting in the work to optimize your sales process, and you need both volume and quality leads. In most cases, Facebook ads are going to give you more opportunities, more growth, and more potential to scale if you're willing to put in the effort. Now, we're big fans of people taking the initiative and doing work themselves, but if you're short on time or just want to get there a little bit faster, at Active Solutions, we offer done-for-you services including CRM management, CRM transfers, funnel builds, and ad campaign optimizations. We even provide a complimentary CRM as part of our services. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, we have a 100% free community with courses on lead generation, cold outreach, CRM tutorials, etc. Whether you're looking for a do-it-yourself or you want a little help, go ahead and look in the description below.